Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll go over how to withdraw money from TonKeeper to Binance. So now, let's begin. First thing we need to do is open our TonKeeper app, then click on swap, and now, we need to swap our Toncoin into USDT. Now, enter the amount that you want to convert, and after that, click on send. Now, you need address and comment. So to get this, we're gonna need to open your Binance app. Now click on the yellow icon in the middle bottom part of the screen. And now search for USDT. Then now click on USDT. Now from here you wanna tap on Toncoin. And you will need to copy the address and USDT memo and paste it in TonKeeper. So to do this, go back to TonKeeper app and paste this. And from here, what you're gonna do basically is make sure to convert Ton into USDT. Now, if you have the balance, you can now click continue. And after that, the money will be in your Binance account. And that's how to withdraw money from TonKeeper to Binance. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.